everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the lock screen if it's locked on your Android phone. So to do this, I'm going to restart my phone by force turning it off by holding down the power button and the volume down button. Now depending on your model, after you force turn it off, you're going to have to hold a third button. So if you have a third button, you probably have to hold that down. But when our phone restarts and goes black, we want to go from the volume down button to the volume up and the power button. Then hold down that third button if you have it. So let's do it now. So power button, volume down, and this will take a screenshot and then force your phone to turn off. And then when it turns off, switch to the power button and the volume up and the third button if you have it, and continue to hold all three of these buttons down, or if you only have two, continue to hold those down until this phone screen goes away where it says the name of your phone. And then we can let go, and it should boot it into the recovery menus now. And then just use the volume up key and the volume down key to move. And then you can select an option with power. So if we want to remove the lock screen, we have to do something called factory reset. Now this is going to erase all the data on our phone, but will also remove the lock screen, and then we'll have to log back in with our Google information, our email address and password. So it'll definitely get rid of it. Hopefully you have everything backed up to the cloud with your Google Photos. You might be able to look at those when you log back in. But if this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below.